What's up guys, this is a quick video on the GoPro Seeker backpack. So I've always been after this and I've been after it for a while, but because it's been so expensive I've held back on it. But finally I've took the plunge and bought it, and I'm going to give you a quick review and tell you what I think of it. So basically this is the bag itself. It's comes in this like a shell material which is water resistant. I'm not sure if it's waterproof, but I know it's water resistant up to so far. If you can see on the zips there, they've done a good thing on it, so it's water resistant there as well. It's got a good sleeve on it, so hopefully water shouldn't penetrate through that at all. On the front of it, it's got these gaps here, so you can attach different straps to it, so you can attach things to the back of it as well. It's got a pocket here, which it comes up to here, and on the front of it, this is why I mainly bought it, because you can fit up to 5 cameras and your bits and pieces inside, and you don't have to faff about going in your backpack looking for what you need. On the top here, it's got a waterproof compartment, so here you can store your batteries, you can store your memory cards and things like that, what you want to protect from any kind of water. So that's the best feature I feel like about it. But the way I see this backpack is very similar to a motorcycle backpack, because it's got similar things to it, and I'll show you what they are in a bit. So right, that's that, and it's got a main compartment here. If I open that up, you've got another waterproof pocket here, so you can put other stuff inside. With this, it comes with an integrated chest mount, and it fits onto the front of it, and I'll show you that a bit later. So that's the waterproof pocket there, which is pretty big, as you can see. It's got a gap here so you can put your name on it. Underneath here you've got another big pocket, and that pocket goes all the way down to the bottom, so you can fit like a tablet or an iPad or something like that. It's got 2 pockets down the side here, which you can stick other things like maybe a power bank or something like that. Within it you've got these, I don't know if you can see that, you've got these things here, so you can attach like a selfie stick or a tripod or something like that. But with the motorcycle backpacks you get these as well, and usually you'll stuff your trainers or your boots in there, so that you can change them later when you get to your destination. Here we've got another, like a strap, so you can attach a laptop, but you won't be able to fit a big laptop. It'll only be a small one. And that's all the compartments what are here. It's actually a 16-litre backpack. I wish it was bigger. That's one of the issues what I'm not happy with. I wish it was bigger, at least 20 to 25. This is only good for if you're carrying GoPro stuff only. If you're going to use a DSLR camera, nothing's going to fit inside this at all. So on the sides here you've got like a little pocket here, so you can put your bottle of water, but it's not very big. You'd have to get a small bottle, you couldn't fit a really big bottle in there. But mainly I think that's for like selfie sticks and tripods if you're carrying them, or things like that in general. On the other side you've got a strap here, so you can attach something else like a tripod or whatever you prefer, and it's got another pocket here. Same thing again, it's pretty tight. And here, if you can see these, they've given you like the 2 tassels, one at the front and one at the back, so you can put your selfie stick in there and strap it up so you can get a good point of view. So right, that's the tassels on the side. So on the front of it itself comes with this really nice padded support for your back, so your back won't get tired, and it's got gaps here so that it can breathe, so your back won't sweat in any way if you're out for the day and stuff like that. And that's the same thing with motorcycle backpacks as well. The harnesses are slightly padded as well, which is good as well. So on the front of it they're giving you an integrated mount here, so you can attach your GoPro to it, and they've given you a gap here so you can attach something else to it like a gimbal or something like that, or a selfie stick or whatever you prefer. So like I said before, on the front of it, actually before I forget, Before I forget, if you like this video, please give it a like, and if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe and leave any comments below. So right, back in hand, it's got another pocket here, which is for a hydration pack, and it goes all the way to the bottom, right down to the bottom, and it's got a hole there as well, so if any of your water leaks, it will leak out of there and not mess anything else up in your bag. But the only thing you've got to be careful with is, even with motorcycle backpacks, out of my own experience, what I know is if you've got a hydration pack, it does create condensation, so you have to be careful it doesn't get into the rest of your stuff. So this is why they've given you these waterproof pockets for certain things what you need to protect from water. I think this actual compartment should be okay, but I don't know until you test it out. So right, that's the hydration pack goes there. So it's got a strap for your chest as well, so you can attach it, and it's got one for your waist as well, so you can attach that as well. So this is the integrated chest mount, and it's got these connections here on the side, and they simply slot onto these things here, and this end will slot onto these sides over here, so you simply connect them onto either side. So now you've got an integrated chest mount, which is really wicked, because the worst annoying thing is carrying cameras and stuff, so that's awesome. But like I said, I really like this backpack, but the only issue is it's really small. I wish it was bigger so I can carry more stuff in it, but it is what it is. But I think £100 is a lot of money for a backpack. If only you could fit more stuff in it, like I said, it would be a lot better. But other than that, I do really like it, apart from the size. So I think I'll be sending this straight back after this review, because I'm not happy with it at all. So right guys, I hope this helps somebody out who's thinking about buying one. And thank you for watching. Like, comment and subscribe. Bye.